napalm, cause I'm coming in hot.
Alright, I'm gonna super clean this engine bay. First, I'll agitate all the dirt with a brush. Now I'll use the vacuum to suck up all that loose dirt I shook up. Now to make it easy, I'll split this up doing pretty much half at a time. First I'll start with this left half. I'll let that sit for a few minutes. Well, the left side's done. Aside from the intake manifold, everything else like came out good.